Assalamu alaikum one class. I'm your English teacher from Alert School. Today I'm going to start your English Oxford next lecture. So open your book at page number 30, unit 6, a house. In this lesson we will learn about house, furniture and numbers. Unit 6, lesson 1, listen and speak. Look at the picture using the words below. Ask and answer questions about each item in the house. Where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Here is the kitchen. This is living room. This is bedroom and it's bathroom. You have to make the questions like this. Where is the pan? It is on the stove. Where is the fridge? It is in the kitchen. Where are the pots? These are in the kitchen. Where is the chair? It is in the living room. Where is the table? It is in the living room. Where is the cat? It is under the table. Where is the sofa? It is in the living room. Where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Where is the table lamp? It is in the bedroom. Where is the window? It is in the bedroom. This is bathroom. You have to write where is the bucket? It is in the bathroom. Where is the shower? It is in the bathroom. Listen to your teacher and draw what you hear. This is a pen, bed, tap, chair. Under the chair, draw a jug. Shower. Under the shower, draw a bucket. Stove. Here you have to draw a pan. TV. Here you have to draw a pot on the TV. Dish, spoon, fridge, phone, lamp, window, door and knife. Students, now open page 31, unit 6, lesson 2, phonics and words. Read the words below, match the pictures to the words with the double O sound. Book, hook, book, cook, hook, good and looking. Here is the moon. You have to match with the moon, spoon, soon, room and school. Use the words from exercise A in these sentences. Example is, she is looking at the moon. We go to school on Monday. We go on Tuesday to cook. The spoon is in the pan. He is reading a book in the living room. Sing this song, hey diddle diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Students, now open page number 32, reading Mango Django's house. Listen as you read the story. Mango Django is Fizza's friend. He says to Fizza, will you come and play at my house? Yes please, says Fizza. Get on my back then, says Mango Django. Mango Django is a friend of Fizza. He says to her that if she will come to his house. Fizza is agreed to go to his house. He says to her, get on my back. He flies out of the window. He flies over Fizza's house. He flies over the mango tree and the wall. Soon they come to the Mango Django's house. It's a funny house. The door looks like a banana. The windows look like the apples. Come in and sit down, he says. Are you thirsty? Would you like water, milk, orange juice or tea? Tea please, says Fizza. Here you are, says Mango Django, some nice and cold tea. He gives her some tea in a bucket. And thank you, she says politely. She drinks the cold tea. Now are you hungry? Asks Mango Django. Would you like a sandwich, sweet, an ice cream or a banana? An ice cream please, says Fizza. Here you are, says Mango Django, a nice hot ice cream. He gives her a hot ice cream in a big shell. Thank you very much, says Fizza politely. She looks at his house. His bed is in the kitchen. His chair is in the living room. There are books in the bathroom and spoons in the bedroom. Fizza laughs. What a funny house, she says. Don't you like my house? Asks Mango Django. I like it very much, says Fizza. Good, says Mango Django. Now let's play. I'll bet here's an apple. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Mango Jango is Fiza's friend. She gets on his back. They fly to Mango Jango's house. He gives Fiza cold tea and a hot ice cream. They play with a bat and an apple. Look at the things in Mango Jango's kitchen. These are the dishes. Dishes are like shell. Stove is like a crocodile. Tab, knives, spoon, window and pan. Now draw lines to complete the sentences. The tap looks like a snake. The dishes look like shells. The pan looks like a. The spoons look like little girls. The knives look like little boys. The window look like an apple. The stove look like a crocodile. Use the words in the box to complete the sentences about the kitchen. Example, there is a window behind the pan. There is a pan on the stove. There is a jug on the table. There are some knives in the jug. There are 2 plates on the table. There is a bucket under the tap. There is some water in the bucket. Now on page number 35, sing Hey Diddle Diddle again and say what is strange. Cats don't usually play the fiddle. Cows don't usually jump over the moon. Dogs don't usually laugh. Dishes don't usually run. Students, now read the story of Mango Jango's house again and use the words in the box to complete the sentences. Kitchen, living room, shell, hot, cold and bucket. Fiza drinks from a cup but Mango Jango drinks from a bucket. Fiza eats from a dish but Mango Jango eats from a shell. Fiza drinks hot tea but Mango Jango drinks cold tea. Fiza eats cold ice cream but Mango Jango eats hot ice cream. Fiza sleeps in the bedroom but Mango Jango sleeps in the kitchen. Fiza showers in the bathroom but Mango Jango studies in the bathroom. Count these objects and write how many they are. You have to count the objects and write. And draw a strange living room. Write some sentences about it. This is your task. Draw a strange living room. For example, the bed looks like a mango. You can draw the window like an apple. You can draw a chair like a frog. You can draw a TV like any animal. You can draw the TV like an owl. So this is your task. Do it by yourself. Now open your English grammar book at page number 36, unit 12, writing sentences. A sentence is a group of words that tell us something about somebody or something. This is the definition of sentences. So learn it carefully. Let us understand. Write the sentences given in your notebook. Remember to start the sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Write the sentences given in your notebook. Remember to start the sentence with a capital letter. Ronnie is a naughty boy. Ronnie R will be capital and here will be a full stop at the end. My house is very far. My M will be capital and far after will be full stop. People are waiting for the bus. People P will be capital and at the end there will be a full stop. It is raining today. It I will be capital and today after full stop. Here are the words. In the following sentences have got mixed up. Unscramble the words and put them in right order. Football is Toby playing. Toby is playing football. This is Toby. He is playing football. Making sandcastle. Tia is. This is Tia. Tia is making a sandcastle. Monkey is hanging from branch. The monkey is hanging from the branch. The beanstalk. Jack is climbing up. The Jack is climbing up the beanstalk. The following passage was written by John. Help him complete each sentence by putting a capital letter at the beginning of each sentence. Write the sentences in your notebook. My name is John. M will be capital and John. J will be capital. I will be capital. I am 5 years old. I like to play with toy cars. I also like to sing and dance. I also enjoy going for a drive with Papa in his car. Here is the extended exercise. Look at the picture below. Write 4 sentences to describe the pictures in your own words. You can take the help from these words. These are the words. It is raining heavily. A woman is going with an umbrella. Children are going with school bags. These are the children. Some cars are passing by people. A man is standing under the tree. This is the man. He is standing under the tree.